Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about new Alienware 27 4K QD-OLED Gaming Monitor. So friend, Alienware continue to lead in gaming monitor technology with QD-OLED advancement after captivating gamers first with our 34-inch ultra-wide QD-OLED panel. We push boundaries even further by introducing 32-inch model with 4K resolution and 27-inch model with 360Hz refresh rate. So friend, the new Alienware 27 4K QD OLED gaming monitor at CES 2025 Innovation Award Honor. In the monitor, it comes with 4K resolution and 27-inch format thanks to the new ultra-precise manufacturing process. The flagship monitor reached an impressive pixel density of 166 ppi and 240 Hz refresh rate. On top of these, the supreme color accuracy combined with infinity content ratio and Dolby Vision HDR certification means games and stunning vibrant, and the new screen display user interface along with full support for Alienware Command Center 6.6 offer a seamless and initiative user experience with HDMI 2.1 FRL and the monitor support 4K 240Hz via HDMI variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode. On top of these, the HDMI 2.1 FRL ERC support gamers can enjoy clear sound through Dolby Atmos certified speakers and other high definition audio devices when connected to this monitor. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.